Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today's topic of discussion is quantum teleportation. Is it possible for light? So this is actually the title of the video. Is it possible for light? And the main topic is what? Quantum teleportation. So whenever we use the term quantum teleportation, that means we are talking about teleportation of quantum states or quantum information. Not any physical substance or not any physical entity. Yes, physical substance like electron, that is physical substance because electrons are having mass, and photons, those are not physical substances but those are physical entities, no doubt, because the photons carry energy. That means those are physical entities but they don't have any mass. That means they are not physical substances, photons. Anyway, electrons or photons, and here in this video we are talking about only light, whether teleportation of light is possible or not. So answer to this question is no, or you can better say partially yes. Yes, but partially. What is the meaning of this yes but partially? Question was what? Whether teleportation of light is possible. That was the question. So answer to that question should be yes but partially. What is the meaning of this yes but partially? Because we are not actually teleporting the light. That means light is composed of photon particles. So we are not actually teleporting photon particles. Okay, we are teleporting what? We are actually teleporting the states of the photon particles. States means quantum states. Like say for example spin up and spin down. Okay, there are two states, spin up and spin down. So that way it is possible, means you are actually teleporting quantum states of the particles. For example, you take two photon particles and somehow you manage to make them entangled. That technique is available. Okay, we are not discussing that technique here, how to make them entangled. Okay, just for example, you take two photon particles and make them entangled. Now you keep one photon particle with you and you send another photon particle to a distant location, say for example to a satellite. So what is the distance between them right now? It is of the order of hundreds of kilometers or thousands of kilometers. You have such idea what might be the distance between a satellite orbiting around the earth and the earth itself. Okay, you have that idea. Anyway, so they means between them there is a huge distance. You know this thing. And if you now measure the state of the photon particle which is with you, you just measure the state of that particle. Immediately that affects the state of the other one, which is kept on a satellite. So if you know the state of the, just after measuring, if you know the state of the photon particle which was with you, say for example you have got a spin up, that means the photon particle which is kept in a satellite, the spin up you have got on earth, that means you will get spin down. Spin down state for what? Which one? For the photon kept in the satellite. Means their states are actually linked. They are entangled, that means their states are linked. Their states are correlated. Okay, and whenever you are measuring one particle, immediately that affects the other one, whatever be the distance between them. So here what you are actually doing, are you sending photon particle? No, you are not sending photon particle. You are sending what then? You are sending quantum information, spin up, spin down. What are these things? These are nothing but quantum information or quantum states. So you are actually this way, by using this technology, you are actually sending quantum states or quantum information, but not the photon particles themselves. Okay, that means that's why the answer to the question should be yes but partially. Why partially? Because photons photon particles are not being sent, but their states are being sent. Okay. Photon particles are not being sent, but their states are being sent. That's why the answer to the question should be yes, but partially. And if you answer to that question like a straightforward answer, no, that is also a correct answer. No, because whenever we say light is being teleported or not, light is a physical entity and that is not being teleported. So if you answer to that question as no, that is also a correct answer. That means there are two choices. Either you can say no or you can say yes, but partially. But if you say only yes, in that case that is wrong, because we are not teleporting light actually. We are not teleporting photon particles. We are teleporting quantum states of the photon particles. Okay, so this was the topic of discussion. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for similar amazing contents. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching this one.